my friends, I'm back with my second digital that I wanted to introduce to you. This one is called Twilight Botanicals. I really like this kit. I think this is probably one of my favorites because of the colors. It's just a really beautiful set. It has like tiles. You can definitely do a lot with this set. So it's called Twilight Botanicals. And this one is a kit that has like really rich moody florals. It has a vintage style to it. It definitely has ephemera and a lot of nature elements. What I love about this kit is that it has that really deep blue and twilight tones to it that go so very pretty with the gold. It's like a rose gold, and it has like burgundy, and it has the lighter blues. It's just a beautiful kit. The colors are amazing. It also has some hints of like reds and magenta. Beautiful kit. Just a beautiful kit. So this is like one of my favorites. I'm actually working on a little mini journal because I love this kit so much. So this one is called Twilight Botanicals. I think that you're really gonna like this one once you see it. Again, I'll have slides right after I speak to you about it here. Check out the whole kit. I think I just put I added some tags and ephemera and other pieces that you can cut out, as well as the background pages and things like that. So yes, beautiful kit. This one is, I forgot to mention the other one. This one is a 41 piece, and the other one previously to this one is a 33 piece. So again, if you go to my coffee shop, you'll get the first 5 people to go to my coffee shop will get the kit for free. So check out the digital, the slides, and then go to my coffee shop if you want to get it for free. You gotta hurry up because I'm sure there'll be quite a few people. Whoever sees this video will probably go and do that. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys enjoy these 2 kits that I showed so far. Any feedback would be appreciated. Let me know what you think about either one, which one is your favorite, and I will see you in the next video. Take care and God bless. Bye bye.